Okay, I cook the sausage.
Yeah, it's the sausage.
Okay, sausage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice.
It looks good, no?
Yeah, it's good.
I think.
It's cool.
Oh la la. I'm tired. My knees is broken.
My name is Bastien. I have 21 years old. I'm from Belgium, countryside. We are in Algesur for the emotionless residency and doing some stuff. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. I meditate a bit. Then I watch some TikToks. I get out of my bed. I put my clothes on. I make my bed. Big Mobutu always make his bed. Then I brush my teeth. I like watching TikToks while I brush my teeth.
Hold on.
I also do skincare type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, nice. I'm ready right now.
Okay, let's go, no?
At the supermarket. I take my glasses.
Let's go.
La money. When you talk about money, the guy's running. I grab it. Yes. He don't have money. He don't want to say that, but he don't have money. You send me the list for the
groceries, yeah. Give me like a message like 5 minutes before you come back, so I can prepare the eggs and stuff.
Okay.
So everything's gonna be ready.
Okay.
5 minutes before you come back. Okay?
Where is the
wallet?
wallet?
The wallet?
For Mano? Because I don't pay. Mobutu don't pay. Obrigado. You want to see my car? Okay, it's a T-Roc.
Nice.
Look good. You have the CarPlay, capotos, bombetos. I love this shit. Type shit. Bounce. Okay.
Let's go. Nouveau chéri, ancien mauvais payeur. Pas de frayeur, mais tu sais que je suis le meilleur. Je parle avec une voix intérieure. Le temps y passe, insensible, nouveau player.
Who calling me right now? Fuck off. Hello? Yeah. Okay, bye. What the fuck is that? Okay, we are arriving at the supermarket. Supermercado. Go inside. I show you the team. Come. Hi. I take some orange juice.
Sorry, it's not possible. In the shop, the
No?
movie.
No? Ah, okay, no problem.
We're going at the other supermarket.
Sound, this shit crazy.
Yo, can you make that clap for me, baby? Let me see that back. Smash not past you, baby girl. Kai, you too bad.
We are arrived at the second supermercado. Let's go. So take a bread and croissant and pastel de nata. Hi everyone. Nobody talk with me. supermercado, we can not film. It's really fucked up. I don't know what, but maybe he think it's a supermarket de luxe from Lux. I don't know, but we're going to the house right now, okay? Ciao. Now, the breakfast, man. What's up?
What's up, bro? How you going? What you will do now?
Now, we can try to make the keychain.
Is that
So, first step is finding the shape. So this is an example of a good old Ford one, inspiration, but this is not the shape that we want, this is the shape that we want. So we're gonna do an example here in paper. So you can draw it here, then cutting it, so we have it in paper, so we can have a look of what it looks like in real. First step. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, do you like the size of it? If it was a keychain in metal, I think this is right.
Yeah.
Like a pendant? Like an air plug?
So careful.
Like a weird shit? The shape is always the same. It's of course on purpose. We're not sure how we're gonna use those, but if you look at how it's made, it's similar than this, and it's also the same shape. If you give me 2 seconds, the same shape as we created the story filter on IG. You see my face?
I see mine, actually, but it's fine.
Ah.
It's good to see the camera. And this is the
Same.
emotionless filter, Instagram filter.
Yep. Same shape everywhere, always. Consistency, baby.
Why the oval shape?
It's uncommon. It's old school. So this reminds me of the logo. You could see sometimes some very old school logo of cleaning companies, of renovation for the houses, and it's not being used a lot, so I wanted to give this shape for the new branding of emotionless, as simply as that. So the answer is aesthetically, and it works well in both sides. That can work on a hat, on a t-shirt, but also as a story filter. Once we have the shape, I've purchased those aluminium foil of 1 millimeter. We take the shape, we draw around it. Put this, the glove, this, with the grinder, and it.
Okay.
Outside, of course. Like next step, the machine. Let's go outside with this.
We are on Algezu with some friends, gang member for Emotionless, residency #1 type shit. Epic song. So I finish with that, but we have a problem. I forgot my drilling machine for make that.
To make what?
This.
Ah, yeah, the hole.
Yeah, the hole.
Okay.
So we have a problem. We're going to the, what do you say, the
Neighbor?
the neighbor.
To find the drilling machine?
Yes, for sure.
Okay. Let's go.
You got it?
Yeah.
We're asking at the neighbor for the drilling machine. We have. Now we can put this shit on this and make the hole. Putain. With my two phone, my look.
You have two phones? You have two phones?
Yeah. One for the business, we got it. You know what I'm saying? And one for my life. This is really good, I think. Give me that, please.
How many times did you did this before?
Putain, gros.
How many times did you did this before?
What?
This. All the things that you are doing now.
How many times?
Yeah.
2 hours.
No, how many times?
Je sais pas.
It's the first time doing this?
No.
This process? Yes?
No.
Ah, okay, okay.
Ah.
Ah,
No,
ah.
this process with this?
Yeah.
My first time. Okay, let's go.
Show. Perfect.
That was the last step of this whole process, taking the chain, the enclosing part. You just hit with the letters on there, and this is it, a pure DIY emotionless keychain that you can use as everywhere you want. Maybe as a necklace, maybe as a pendant, maybe as whatever you want. I'm drinking ginger tea, not really gingerish. My brother cannot do ginger tea.
Oh, hold on. Don't tell me like that, okay? So, you can see the kitchen with the sausage. little kitchen, but it's okay.
Okay.
You can see the tab dinner. C'est bon, hein?
Yeah,
Ça?
yeah.
With
Tab dinner.
Aga and now.
Okay.
Yeah, now the living room with three couch. 1, 2, 3, blue couch. Hey, the vocabulary is good now.
Yeah, it's good, it's good.
Here you can put your phone for make TikTok or some shit like that.
Yes! Yeah!
My bedroom.
Ah, this is your bedroom?
Yeah, but Jack don't make the bed. It's your day today.
Ah, yeah.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay, no.
No, please.
No, not see
Please.
my stuff.
Show, please, show more.
Okay.
This is your bed?
Yeah, no. No, it's but very important. Look in my table. Super book. If I won't drink something in night. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Now here you can see the symbol for the deck, the target, yes. Thank you.
You play good?
Yeah.
Yeah, show me.
Show me, you want?
Yeah.
3 or just 1?
Only one.
Okay. Tell me what you want.
Tell me what you want from me.
Oh fuck.
But hey, it's good though.
My bad. Okay. Oh, sorry. My voice in. Sorry.
Okay.
The bedroom of Romano and Maeva.
Okay.
And here, the bedroom for Quentin and Shaima.
Okay. Nice.
Oh, shit. We can go outside. A little place for chilling. Or drink something. You can see the view. It's very nice. I love this view. The sun comes and the sunset is not far from on this direction. The barbecue, it's a little bit break, but it's okay. Now the defense, man. Now the swim, man. All morning we dinner here. We take the breakfast here, and if you want, you can go in the swim here. Voilà. C'est bon. It's me, Mobutu. Yes, sir.